Now Hindi and English both are different language. हिंदी में हमारा ट होता है, इंग्लिश में we don't have anything called ट. ट for tomato, ट for tree नहीं होता. So in English we don't have ट, rather it's a very soft t. 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 Can you hear my t? So I will not say tree, I will say tree. I will not say time, I will say time. I will not say time table, I'll say time table. Now why it is important? Because the t sound in English is absolutely different. It is very soft. It's like knocking at the door. It's like t, t, t. Practice this t sound and sound English. Hindi is different and English different. Follow us on our social media platforms. We are on LinkedIn, Facebook, and on Instagram. And yes, if you have any questions, you can always connect with us. Thank you, and practice your t sound.